Welcome back to Midland Public Library's Junior Engineers, the program where kids like you get to tackle epic, open-ended engineering design challenges every week. My name's Jen, and I'm the Maker Place Coordinator here at MPL. Every week on Beanstack, you'll complete 4 activities. You'll watch, make, share, and reflect to earn the weekly challenge badge. All right, everyone, this week's engineering design challenge is to, give me a drum roll, build a water filtration system, a device that filters and cleans dirty water. By completing this challenge, you will earn the Water Filtration Challenge Badge. In your Take and Make kit, you got everything that you need to complete this challenge. Let's take a look and see what you have to work with this week.
As always, you got your challenge instruction booklet. You got a water bottle that you can build your water filtration system in. You got some paper towels, a sponge, a coffee filter, some cotton balls, a scrap piece of felt, and the Junior Engineers polluted water!
All right, you may also want some other materials this week, such as scissors, a writing tool, some old fabric, a funnel, and of course, some kind of tub or bucket to put underneath of your water filtration system to catch the water. All right, Junior Engineers, when you're completing the Engineering Design Challenge this week, make sure that you follow the engineering design process, which, as we know, has 5 steps. First, ask and define. Second, imagine and brainstorm. Third, plan and gather materials. Fourth, create and test. And fifth, reflect and improve. Following these steps is going to help you to think through your work and your process. And when you're all done and you have reflected and improved, make sure that you clean up after yourself. All right, are you ready for this week's quick tip? For this week's quick tip, I want you to think about what materials you're going to use inside of your water filtration system and what order you'll put them in. So at the top of your structure, where the water goes in, put materials that are going to catch the big items, the big pollutants in your water. At the bottom of your structure, where the water comes out, put materials that are going to catch the fine pollutants or the small items in the water. Okay, Junior Engineers, that's all I had for you this week. Thank you for tuning in and watching and participating. Good luck with the weekly Engineering Design Challenge, and remember, build it your way, no one else's. I can't wait to see what crazy creations you come up with. I'll see you next time, guys.